Azathioprine, Imuran. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Azathioprine. Common brand names, Imuran, Azathioprine, available in some countries. Drug class, immunosuppressant, antimetabolite, purine analog. Drug forms, oral tablets, 25 milligrams, 50 milligrams, 75 milligrams, 100 milligrams. Availability varies by country. Intravenous injection, available in selected hospitals. Number 2. Definition. Azathioprine is an immunosuppressive medication that decreases the activity of the immune system by inhibiting DNA synthesis in rapidly dividing immune cells. It is primarily used to prevent organ transplant rejection and to treat autoimmune diseases. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Azathioprine is a prodrug that is converted into 6-mercaptopurine, 6-MP, and active thioguanine nucleotides. Mechanism. Inhibits purine synthesis, prevents DNA and RNA synthesis, suppresses T lymphocyte and B lymphocyte proliferation, reduces antibody production, decreases inflammatory immune responses. Result, reduced immune activity and inflammation. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Well-absorbed orally, bioavailability, approximately 50% distribution, widely distributed throughout body tissues, crosses placenta, small amounts enter breast milk, metabolism, metabolized in the liver, converted to active metabolite 6-MP, metabolized by TPMT enzyme, xanthine oxidase, NUT15 enzyme. Elimination, mainly through kidneys as inactive metabolites. Half-life, azathioprine 5 hours, active metabolites persist longer. Number 5. Uses azathioprine is used for kidney transplant rejection prevention, liver transplant, heart transplant, rheumatoid arthritis, systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, autoimmune hepatitis, vasculitis, myasthenia gravis, multiple sclerosis, selected patients, pemphigus vulgaris, dermatomyositis, psoriasis, selected cases. Number 6. Indications, prevention of organ transplant rejection, moderate to severe rheumatoid arthritis, autoimmune diseases requiring steroid-sparing therapy, chronic inflammatory bowel disease, severe autoimmune skin disorders. Number 7. Contraindications. Do not use in patients with hypersensitivity to azathioprine, previous severe allergic reaction, pregnancy, unless benefits outweigh risks, severe bone marrow suppression, active untreated infection, severe liver disease, previous pancreatitis caused by azathioprine, known TPMT deficiency without dose adjustment. Use cautiously in elderly, renal impairment, hepatic impairment. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Inform your healthcare provider if you have liver disease, kidney disease, active infection, tuberculosis, hepatitis B or C, HIV infection, cancer history, recent vaccination, low blood cell counts, pregnancy, or breastfeeding. Genetic testing. Testing for TPMT deficiency, NUT15 deficiency may be recommended before treatment. Regular monitoring includes CBC, liver function tests, kidney function tests, infection screening. Number 9. How to use. Take exactly as prescribed. Take with food if stomach upset occurs. Swallow tablets whole. Take at the same time every day. Drink adequate fluids. Continue treatment even if feeling well. Do not stop without medical advice. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults, organ transplant initial, 3-5 milligrams per kilograms per day. Maintenance, 1 to 3 milligrams per day. Rheumatoid arthritis initial, 1 milligrams kilo day. Maintenance, 2 to 3 milligrams kilograms per day. Crohn's disease, 1.5 to 2.5 milligrams per day. Autoimmune hepatitis, 1 to 2 milligrams per kilograms per day. Pediatric dose, weight-based dosing determined by specialist. Dose adjustments required in kidney disease, liver disease, elderly, TPMT deficiency, NUT15 deficiency. Number 11. Miss a dose, overdose. Miss dose. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to next scheduled dose. Never double the dose. Overdose symptoms include severe nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, bone marrow suppression, severe infections, liver toxicity, bleeding, fever. Emergency medical treatment is required. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop suddenly without physician advice. Avoid live vaccines, alcohol, limit due to liver toxicity risk, people with contagious infections, excessive sunlight, unnecessary exposure to sick individuals. Number 13. Side effects. Common nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, diarrhea, mild rash, hair thinning, fatigue. Serious bone marrow suppression, leukopenia, anemia, thrombocytopenia, severe infection, liver toxicity, pancreatitis, severe allergic reactions, increased cancer risk, lymphoma, skin cancer. Seek immediate medical attention for fever, sore throat, unusual bruising, yellow eyes, severe abdominal pain, blood and stool. Number 14, vital information. Regular blood tests are mandatory. Increased infection risk. Increased risk of lymphoma and skin cancer with long-term use. Avoid live vaccines. Use sunscreen daily. Inform all healthcare providers before surgery. Do not share medication. Genetic testing, TPMT NUD15 improves safety. Pregnancy planning should be discussed with your physician. Number 15. Other drugs will affect azathioprine. Major drug interactions include allopurinol, markedly increases azathioprine toxicity. Dose reduction is required. Febuxostat, avoid combination due to severe toxicity risk. ACE inhibitors, trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole, ribavirin, warfarin, reduced anticoagulant effect, mesalamine, sulfasalazine, methotrexate, cyclosporin, tacrolimus. Live vaccines, other immunosuppressants. Always inform your healthcare provider about all prescription drugs, over-the-counter medicines, and herbal supplements. Number 16, drug comparison. Azathioprine versus methotrexate. Class: azathioprine is a purine analog immunosuppressant. Methotrexate is a folate antagonist. Main use: azathioprine is widely used in organ transplantation and autoimmune diseases. Methotrexate is a first-line treatment for rheumatoid arthritis and certain cancers. Monitoring: both require regular CBC and liver function tests. Pregnancy: both are generally contraindicated due to fetal risk. Unique risk: azathioprine has TPMT and UT15-related toxicity. Methotrexate is associated with folate deficiency and pulmonary toxicity. Azathioprine versus mycophenolate mofetil. Mechanism: azathioprine inhibits purine synthesis broadly. Mycophenolate selectively inhibits inosine monophosphate dehydrogenase in lymphocytes. Transplant use: both prevent organ rejection, but mycophenolate is often preferred in many transplant protocols. Bone marrow suppression: possible with both. Gastrointestinal effects: more common with mycophenolate. Pregnancy: mycophenolate has a particularly high risk of birth defects and is strongly contraindicated in pregnancy. Azathioprine versus cyclosporin. Mechanism: azathioprine inhibits DNA synthesis in immune cells. Cyclosporin inhibits calcineurin and T-cell activation. Major toxicity: azathioprine, bone marrow suppression. Cyclosporin, kidney toxicity and hypertension. Drug monitoring: cyclosporin requires therapeutic drug level monitoring. Azathioprine typically does not. Number 17, patient teaching. Educate the patient to take the medicine exactly as prescribed. Do not skip doses or stop treatment without medical advice. Attend all scheduled blood tests. Wash hands frequently and avoid close contact with people who are ill. Report fever, sore throat, unusual bruising, bleeding, or persistent cough immediately. Use sunscreen, protective clothing, and avoid excessive sun exposure due to increased skin cancer risk. Avoid live vaccines unless approved by your healthcare provider. Inform all healthcare providers and dentists that you are taking azathioprine before any procedure. Discuss pregnancy plans before starting or while taking the medication, and use effective contraception if advised. Limit alcohol intake to reduce the risk of liver damage. Keep the medication out of reach of children and store it at room temperature away from moisture. Never share this medication with others. Carry a medication list or medical alert card indicating that you are taking an immunosuppressive drug. Thank you. Have a nice day.